Hey there! Welcome to BK42 channel. Today, we're going to take a closer look at the Vanpowers City Vanture electric bike, a fantastic option for city commuting that has been creating a lot of buzz in the market recently. In this video, we'll be covering everything from the build quality, design, weight, to all the pros and cons of this e-bike. So let's dive in. The Vanpowers City Vanture electric bike is a well-made bicycle that boasts excellent build quality. The frame is constructed from high-quality aluminum alloy, making it both lightweight and durable, and has no welds. The overall construction feels sturdy and reliable. The bike comes in 5 different colors: shining black, infinite silver, neon purple, chalk blue, and ruby, so you can choose the one that best suits your style. The City Vanture boasts a modern and stylish design with a sleek and minimalist appearance. The hidden battery contributes to the bike's streamlined look. The frame is made of lightweight aluminum alloy and measures 21 inches with 700C wheel size. The bike rolls on 700C by 28C Kenda tires with double-wall aluminum alloy rims. The front fork is made of rigid aluminum alloy with disc mounting and through axle. With no throttle or gears to shift, the City Vanture electric bike keeps things simple and fuss-free. It's meant to be used with power assist, and there are minimal settings to worry about. However, there is a slight delay when you start pedaling before the motor kicks in, which requires some effort compared to bikes with a torque sensor or gears. The handlebar is made of sleek aluminum alloy, measuring 64 centimeters in length. The rear brake is located on the right side, while the front brake and pedal assistant control are on the left. The stem is also made of aluminum alloy and features a really cool display built into it. And let me tell you, the display is fantastic. It's incredibly bright and shows essential information such as battery status, speed, odometer, trip distance, and 5 assistance levels: Eco, Normal, Tour, Power, and Boost, plus an off option. One of the standout features of the City Vanture is its lightweight design. The bike weighs just 17.5 kilograms, making it easy to carry upstairs, lift onto a bike rack, or maneuver in tight spaces. This makes it one of the lightest electric bikes on the market. The Vanpowers City Vanture electric bike comes equipped with a 36 volts, 250 watts UNITEK motor that can get you up to 25 kilometers per hour and has 5 levels of assistance to choose from. The motor is controlled by a Cadence sensor that adjusts the power output based on your pedaling speed. Despite its power, the motor is very quiet and small, fitting in seamlessly with the bike's overall design. I've reached 28 kilometers per hour on this baby, but I wish I could go faster. The belt drive stays very clean, requires no maintenance, and is very quiet. One drawback is that it only has 1 gear and is restricted by European restrictions, so it can't go as fast as it might in the United States. This e-bike's got a 36 volts, 7 ampere hours LG cell down-tube battery, which can go up to 27 kilometers on a single charge. But here's the kicker: you can't remove the battery for charging. No worries though, with an extra battery, you can ride for up to 80 kilometers before needing to juice up. And Vanpowers got some sweet-looking batteries that look like water bottles. Plus, it only takes 2 to 3 hours to fully charge the battery, which is pretty convenient for folks who are always on the move. The Vanpowers City Vanture e-bike can handle up to 120 kilograms, so it's perfect for lots of different riders. And if you're around 173 to 190 centimeters tall, this bike is going to fit you like a glove. The Tektro hydraulic disc brakes with 180 mm rotors are awesome, even if it's wet outside. They just work perfectly. The saddle on this bike has a classic look and feels super comfy to sit on. I love the brown color, which gives it a really cool vintage vibe, and the 2 springs make it even more stylish. Plus, the hand grips are on point and match the brown color of the saddle and the tires perfectly. Let's go over the pros and cons. Pros: lightweight and easy to maneuver, sleek and modern design, high-quality components and build, hidden battery for a streamlined look, IP66 waterproof, integrated color LCD display, maintenance-free belt drive, no messy cables like many other electric bicycles, 24-hour online assistance. Cons: limited range of 27 kilometers on a single charge without an extra battery. No built-in lights, no suspension, so the ride can be a bit bumpy on rough roads. Only 1 frame size available. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or prefer a pre-assembled option, the City Vanture has got you covered. Assemble it yourself for €1,538.95, or have it delivered fully assembled for €1,628.95. With a 2-year warranty for the frame and a 1-year warranty for all other parts, you can ride with complete peace of mind knowing that any defects or issues will be covered. Additionally, the City Vanture ships for free within the USA and Europe. Head over to vanpowers.com to learn more and purchase your own City Vanture today. Since I enjoy DIY projects, I received my City Vanture bike in a compact box that needed assembling. But assembling it is super easy. And to make the process even simpler, I've made a helpful video that you can find linked below. The box comes with all the required tools, so you have everything you need to get your new bike up and running in no time. If you prefer not to assemble the bike yourself, no problem. Vanpowers has got you covered with a fully assembled option. The first time I saw this bike, I thought it would be perfect for taking with me on trips. I was thinking I could just take it apart, pack it in my luggage, and put it back together at my destination. But now I know that's not the best idea. It takes a while to take apart and put back together, and the parts could get messed up without proper packing. So, I wouldn't recommend it for that. But, on the bright side, the bike is super light and can be easily taken with you like any other lightweight bike. I almost forgot to mention that Vanpowers includes a handy handlebar headlight and a beautiful bell as gifts with the City Vanture electric bike. So there you have it, folks. The Vanpowers City Vanture is one badass electric bike that looks awesome and performs even better. Whether you're riding to work or cruising around town, this bike will definitely have you covered. Thanks so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to BK42 channel for more reviews and tips on all things e-bikes. And most importantly, happy riding.